Hello Telegram users, need to update the email link to your Telegram account? No worries, I have got you covered. Let's do it in just few simple steps. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Next, go to Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down a bit and tap on Two-Step Verification. Now, you will be prompted to enter your password to proceed. Once you are in, you will see the Change Recovery email option. Tap on that to begin updating your email. Enter the new email address you want to link and follow the prompts to complete the process. Need any more help? Drop your questions in the comment below. And that's it. Your email now has been updated on Telegram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.